Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I am here with a new off-campus recruitment from the Blue Jay company. Previously also some days ago, Blue Jay was hiring for the another position, same off-campus drive, but this is a different off-campus drive for the different role. Okay, from the same company Blue Jay. Okay, so don't get confused between these off-campus drives. So about Blue Jay Solutions, they have provided some company information. Then please read at least once. We will directly check what is the job description, eligibility criteria and other things. Okay, so Blue Jay focus on bringing the right candidate on board and encouraging them to use the latest technologies for identifying key talents. We invite young generation to join our team and to be a part of our growth story. So Blue Jay hires freshers, those are highly motivated to become a software engineers and already have developed an understanding to develop web applications independently. So job type is 3-month internship and post assessment based on the performance convert to full-time employment. It's like 3 months there will be internship, and based on your performance they will put you on the full-time employment. That means they will give you the PPO, that is pre-placement offer letter. Okay, so job location is Hyderabad. Position is associate engineer. There is no service bond, there is no bond here. CTC is 4.5 LPA during your 3 months internship. Okay, and after that for FTE during the first 3 months stipend is 20k to 25k, and once they give you the full-time employment then your salary will be increased. Okay, but for the internship, during the internship your CTC will be 4.5 LPA. Eligibility criteria is BTech Computer Science and Information Science or Technology, and MCA candidates can apply. Only 2021 pass out candidates can apply. Minimum you should have 70% and above throughout the academics. Okay, then essential responsibilities, they are expecting technical skills, Java and SQL, and essential skills, write the clean code and debugging programs, highly motivated and demonstrating a strong drive for results, consistently demonstrate creativity necessary to solve problems, highly organized and detail oriented, and many other things. Okay, basic understanding of software development, hardworking, logical and smart thinking, then English, read, write, speak. Okay, so desired skills, any Java, JEE technology stack, understanding on agile development process, and physical requirements, general office environment and responsibilities requiring extensive use of the computer, which involves you viewing a monitor and keyboarding for most of the workday, and placing and receiving phone calls. Then selection process will be on, there will be an online assessment test, then after that technical interview, HR discussion. This is totally virtual drive. All the interviews, test will be conducted online only. Important guidelines, online test and date time will be updated to the registered candidate. So please guys, please give your mail ID correct, then and then only you will get aptitude test invitation mail. Okay, please re-verify before submit any application form. Not only for this off-campus drive, whenever you will apply any off-campus drive for any company, then re-verify your mail. When you re-verify, please make it correction if any changes required, and then submit. Okay, so after test, shortlisted candidates must be available for the further online interview process, and candidates should be available for immediate joining. So to apply for this off-campus drive, you need to enter your mail ID here, then verify your mail, click on this button. You will get an email with an OTP. Enter your OTP here, which is received on your mail ID, and verify your mail. Then enter your full name, your current location, your college name, your graduation degree, graduation year of passing, your branch, your post graduation if you have done. If not done, then select NA, that is not applicable from this drop down list, as currently this is in the disabled mode because I have not verified my mail ID yet. Okay, so then if your marks 10th 12th as well as graduation marks and are in CGPA, then please convert your CGPA into the percentage and enter your percentage here. Okay, so do you have any internship experience? If yes, please mention the details. Do you have any certification or training done? If yes, then please mention the details. Are you available for immediate joining? If selected, select appropriate answer and tick this checkbox and submit this form. This is the simple application process. So please guys, you will get this link in the description box below, and please apply for this off campus drive from the Blue Jay company, as this is hiring again. So please apply for this off campus drive, and thanks for watching this video.